Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, and welcome to our speaking group today. I am Iman and I will be your host for this speaking group today. Okay, today we'll be discussing an important global issue, which is global warming. This issue has become a major concern around the world because it affects about environment, climate, and the future of our planet. Throughout this speaking group, we will explore the challenges of global warming and discuss the possible solution that can be taken to reduce the impact. So, without further delay, let's begin our discussion. Okay, I want to ask the panel one. This question is, what are the main causes of global warming on our environment?
Thank you, moderator. As an environmental expert, I would like to explain the three main causes of global warming. The first cause is burning fossil fuel. Burning such as coal, oil, and gas release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, increasing the global temperatures. The second cause is deforestation. For example, cutting down trees reduce the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, causing more greenhouse gases to remain in the atmosphere. The third cause is industrial and agricultural activities. For example, factories, livestock farming, and some agricultural activities release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. In conclusion, the three main causes of global warming are burning fossil fuel, deforestation, and industrial and agricultural activities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your explanation about the environmental aspect. Okay, in conclusion, global warming is a serious environmental issue caused mainly by human. If we work together to reduce pollution and protect our nature, we can help create a healthier and more sustainable future. Okay, do you agree with their points?
Yes, I'm agree with panel one, but I have my own opinion as a government representative. So, good evening, everyone. I am here today as a representative of the government to share some solution on how to reduce global warming through sustainable transportation. First and foremost, improve public transport. The government should make MRT. The government should make buses, trains, LRT, and MRT more better. Public transport should be cheap, comfortable, clean, and on time. Then the people will use it instead of driving their own cars. For example, if the people take the trains to work every day, there will be fewer cars on the roads. This can reduce traffic jams and air pollution. The second policy is to use more renewable energy. Renewable energy comes from nature. For example, it's come from the sun, winds, and water. This energy is clean and make less pollution. The government can help people to use renewable energy. For example, the government can help people to buy solar panel and build more solar farm and wind farm. School and hospital can use solar panels too. This can help to save electricity and reduce pollution. If more people use renewable energy, we can reduce global warming. Um, Last but not least is to protect forests. Forests are very important. Um, Trees taking carbon dioxide and uh, give us oxygen. The government can this can reduce global warming. The government should stop illegal logging and protect more forests. Um, Another way is to plant more trees. School, companies, and local people can plant more trees together. More trees make the air cleaner and give animals a safe home. Mm, hel- uh, healthy 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 forest healthy forest can help to stop flood. um, in conclusion, the government can fight global warming with many ways, such as improve public transport, use renewable energy, and protect our environment, protect our forests. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Thank you, Pedatu, about your explanation about government representative. In conclusion, the government plays an important role in fighting global warming through its policy, renewable energy, and environmental programs. However, success depends on the cooperation of every citizen. Okay. Benetri, do you agree with the points?
Yes, I agree with point and two, but as but I have some point as a local community. Today, as a local community, I would like to talk about three impacts of global warming on local communities. First and foremost, global warming has health impacts. As global temperature continues to rise, people are exposed to greater health risk. For example, during a heat wave, many people may feel weak, dizzy, or have difficulty breathing. Hospitals and clinics may also receive more patients with health-related illness. My second point is global warming has economic and livelihood impact. Many local communities depends on farming, fishing, and tourism as their main sources of income. For example, for farmers, a long drought can damage crops and reduce harvest. For fishermen, a change in sea temperature can affect fish population and make fishing more difficult. And last, for tourist areas may also receive fewer visitors if beaches, forests, or other attractions are damaged by extreme weather. Last but not least, global warming affects daily life and infrastructure. Extreme weather events such as floods, storm, and heat wave can damage homes, roads, school, and electricity supplies. For instance, during a flood, roads may become unsafe and transportation may stop. Families may have to leave their homes and stay in temporary shelters. Uh, in conclusion, global warming has three major impacts of local communities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Benetri, about your explanation about the community representative. In conclusion, global warming affect everyone everyone, especially especially local communities, by working together and adapting environmentally friendly habits, we can reduce its impact and build stronger, more resilient communities. Panel 4, do you agree with their point?
Yes, I agree with point number 3. But I have my opinion about step that young people can take to have reduce global warming. First, young people can practice the 3R. First, reuse and recycle. Young people reduce our waste by using usable bag, bottle, and container. They use item whenever possible and recycle paper, plastic, glass, and metal to reduce pollution and can save natural resource. Second, young people can use sustainable transportation like wood, cycle, use public transportation, or carpool instead of driving alone. This help reduce greenhouse gas emission from vehicle. Last, young people can plant a tree. Participate in tree planting activity. Tree can absorb carbon dioxide and help to cool the environment. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Pabina, for your explanation about your representative. In conclusion, young people have the power to make a difference. Simple action like saving energies, recycling and spreading awareness can help protect our planet for future generation. Okay, let's move to round 2. Okay, I want to ask about the how to ways to overcome global warming. Anyone can answer? Okay.
I think as an environmental expert, the most important ways to overcome global warming is strengthen our environmental policies. For example, we as an environmental can enforce such as laws to limit industrial emissions. Other than that, we also can introduce carbon taxes and incentive for clean energy. I think that is my point to overcome global warming. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you have another points to overcome global warming?
Yes, I have another point. I think as a government representative, should promoting sustainable practice. Sustainable practice means taking care of our environment every day. Um, First, the government can teach people to save electricity and water. For example, switch off the lights when you leave a room, and people should also use water wisely and and avoid wasting it. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you have another point?
Yes, I have another point is save electricity is important for people? It is because when people save electricity, they can saving money on electricity bills. It is because using less electricity can help reduce monthly electricity costs. For example, switching off lights when leaving a room and unplugging device after use can lower energy consumption at home. The money saved from lower electricity bills can be used for other important needs. Therefore, saving electricity is not only good for the environment but also beneficial for our financial situation. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you have the points?
Yes, I have my point. My point is about the most important with us young to overcome the it's about raise awareness. Young people can increase friendly to protect the environment by saying information through media social. Or young people can participate over in environmental campaign. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Can I add some conclusion about my points?
sure. Okay.
In conclusion, sustainable practice can reduce global warming. It's a small action, but can give big effect to global. If we all together, we can build a cleaner and greener future. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. In moderated points, I think saving is more suitable to ways overcome the global warming. Because we should save electricity by turning off lights, fans, and air conditioners, and other electrical appliances where they are not in use. They reduce the amount of energy needed, low carbon emissions for power plants, and help slow down global warming. Okay. It, um, Before closing, as we come to the end of the speaking task today, we can conclude that global warming is a serious issue that requires attention and action from everyone. Small action from individuals, corporations, communities, and organizations can contribute to protecting our environment and creating a better future. Okay, thank you to our guests for sharing about the global issue and give the valuable information. And thank you to our listeners and for spending your time with us today. We hope this discussion has provided useful knowledge and awareness about the importance of protecting our planet. That's all for today. Goodbye, take care, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.